Hello and welcome to the quick session covering how to use beSTORM for real black box testing. The definition for black box testing is not set in stone. Some may say that black box testing is when I don't really have any information about the host at all. Others may say that black box testing can be done when I have information about the host, but I don't have a username and credentials. And the way I like to see it is that black box testing is done when I only know the IP of the host. Since I only know the IP of the host, I need to find some way to understand what ports are open, and I need to find some way to understand how to utilize those ports for smart testing. So now that's what we're going to show you today. We're going to click on a new project, and normally we just choose either simple or advanced and go and choose the predefined module or the custom built module or any like web API module, AutoLearn and so on. Today we're going to choose the perform a port scan checkbox. We're going to click on next. We're going to put in the IP for our testing, which is 192.168.190.1. So quick checkup to see that the actual server we set up, yeah. We're going to click on port scan. Now, as you can see, beSTORM has managed to detect several open ports on my DUT, and what beSTORM currently does is suggesting what modules would be relevant. So this is a real black box testing. I came up with no information about the DUT. All I knew is that IP. And now, as you can see, I understand whether I can use like UDP v6 or where I can use UDP v4 or whether I can use FTP server modules, and if FTP as a service even run, or if NetBIOS service is running, I can get more understanding on what is the DUT. Now I know the DUT, for example, is a Microsoft Windows OS, and I know that it has also a VMware virtual machine installed on it. So I can start building up my test. I can start building up my actual fuzzing. For example, if I go into HTTPS, I can set up using the simple web client as one of the options. I have other HTTP protocols over here. I can test the SSL web client and so on. And now I'm going to click on next. And what beSTORM does is basically building up the module for me. And the module will be relevant only to that specific DUT I'm testing, and only after we went through the port scan. So I don't need to go and choose from the list of predefined modules. I can just run a primary port scan, and then based on that primary port scan, I can go ahead and start doing an actual fuzzing. And now we can start the fuzzing process on that HTTPS server, on that secured website. And so we're going to stop here for now. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions or any issues, please contact us at beyondsecurity.freshtest.com. That's our customer self-service portal where you can download links, watch videos such as this one, etc. You can contact me personally, joels@beyondsecurity.com, or you can contact our support at beyondsecurity.com. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this quick session covering how to use the beSTORM port scan.